Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Washington State University account, also commonly known as WSU. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type wsu.edu and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Washington State University. You can scroll down and look at all the facilities provided. You can also scroll over to the navbar to look at the different tabs. But for now, we only want to log in. Right here in the search button that says Quick Links and Search, simply click on it. A sidebar will open up, and right here in the Quick Links, you will find something like MyWSU. Simply click on it. Now it's going to redirect you to the sign-in page where you need to enter your username. And once you've entered your username, simply click on Next. Then it will prompt you to again enter your password. Once everything is okay, simply hit on the login or continue button that you will find, and then you will be able to log in to your Washington State University account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log into Washington State University. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.